Hey guys, Digital Dave here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing for you a garden hose nozzle. This is going to be an awesome accessory to use outside if you're planning on washing your cars. Here's how it comes packaged to you. It'll be in an Amazon envelope. Go ahead and look at my video description below. Check out the link to this. You can read about it, see some photos, and yeah, order it if it's what you're looking for. So again, it's on Amazon. Links in my video description below. Now we'll go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so now we'll take it out of its packaging. They give you a nice microfiber mitt is what I'll call it, which is really cool. So you can go ahead and use that on your car, which is neat. Really handy to have that. We'll just set that over there. We'll show you the instructions now. Basically, it's showing you how to use the foam gun, how to adjust the spray, the water outlet, flow, control switch. So there's 8 different splashes: mist, cone, rinse, stream, shower, jet, center, and flat, which is really cool, and it shows you which ones they are. So it's pretty neat, really simple, straightforward. Here is the actual gun itself. That's nice that it locks into place, so you don't have to be straining your hand at all. So you can attach it right here to your hose, and then if you don't have, it's got a nice O-ring there too, so I can tell from the instructions there's a second way to adjust it if you actually have a hose nozzle with a thread. It says if you have a hose that has a screw thread, you can connect it on the foam gun directly. So I take it we should be able to take this off. Might need a tool for it. But yeah, you should be able, it looks like it could thread right in there. And then if you have a hose that's a traditional hose, you can connect it to the quick release connector and put the black nipple on the water gun. Interesting. So you'll be able to connect this. I will actually go outside and show you this in action. So we'll work on connecting it then, but just want to show you in the unboxing video how nice this is. Pretty nice. It's got up to 3 ounces right there. 3 ounces is measured, so a little more at the top, or 100 cc's right here. And then you have your water knob. It looks like you should be able to turn this, maybe. Okay, so you can't turn this. This is really, really tight. You can hear it. Really tight. So you have soap all the way to water. Man, that's really hard. So might need a couple of rotations to get that a little looser. But yeah, this is really cool. It just goes right there, twists right back on. And again, it shows you shower, mist, cone, rinse, stream, flat, center, jet, and then back to shower. So really happy. Really think that's neat just to have this little trigger even to be able to use that. It's really well thought out. Looks really cool. The black's nice. Should hold up for a couple of seasons of washing your car and doing some heavy duty cleaning with it.
Hey guys, Digital David here with the follow-up now for this awesome sprayer. I've loaded about 3 ounces into the holder, and it does hold up to 3.5 ounces. I've connected it to my garden hose. It does come with a built-in adapter if you have a tinier hose. I just had to use some pliers to get it off because it was really tight in there. So here's how it looks. We'll go and we'll fire it up and we'll wash my car and see how we like it. So I now have the soap setting changed to it, and now we'll go ahead. This is the shower nozzle adjuster, and let's see how we like it. Really cool. So it's doing a great job. You can see it creating the suds on there to wash my car. Really happy with that. Really cool. You can see that in action. Love that you don't have to hold this. It locks. So really a great design. Really happy with it so far. We'll try another setting. All right, I have it set to flat, and we're going to rotate through all these. So I'll show you each of them. Here's flat. Really nice. Nice spray pattern, nice and flat, as you can see. Really cool. You're really happy with this, so we'll go ahead, we'll look at all the other ones now. All right, we now have it set to center. Nice multiple streams coming out of it. Here is mist. Mist is really fine, that's pretty cool. Nice mist. Here's cone. It just seems like a wider mist, obviously living up to its name, where it's cone-shaped, your spray. Rinse is now set, so basically it's a pass-through for the hose. Not shabby, pretty cool. We now have it set to jet. There's jet. Nice jet stream for you, really cool. Now we have it set to shower. Shower's great too. That really seems to soak it. That's awesome. Stream is next. Really interesting. Not sure what stream's supposed to be, but it shoots it at a downward angle, if you see that coming out, into a stream. So after using it for a while, you can see those 3 circles on there, but next to soap. What's nice is to give you 3 different settings, so if you want to use more soap or less soap, you have 3 circles to adjust, which is pretty nice and straightforward. And then you can obviously adjust the water too, with you see that nice diagram picture right there. All right, I'm at my nice clean car. Definitely happy with that product. I'm not a fancy pantsy car wash sort of guy, so the fact my car's been washed at all is awesome. So great little tool to have in your arsenal to use. Did a great job, a fine job for me, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, go ahead, check it out. Links in my video description below if you're interested in it. I really like that cloth accessory that you could use your hand to wash the car with. That's really nice. I usually just use a sponge, and that was way better than I would have thought. So go ahead, check it out. Hit the sub button if you haven't. Like, comment, share, that sort of thing. Love to talk with you guys, and I will see you in my next video.